Video sent into our newsroom. We're grateful for that this morning. Again, the caveat, please be safe while you're taking it.
Yeah, big thank you. Joining us now in studio with a look at some of those videos, reporter T.A. Walker. Hey, T.A.
Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Holly. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, it's our first alert weather spotters, and they're really getting a workout in. We got some video from South Hutchinson Island. Lots of heavy rain from Karen Gibson, sending that in to us, posting it on our Facebook page. Also, Sean Barnes has this, he says, nothing too extreme, but gusty at times there at the Turnpike in Port St. Lucie. And then Dorothy Bass is west of Delray. Last night, the storm Ashley was just talking about, you can see those heavy winds going in there. And then I want to turn to some video out by the Wanderers Club in Wellington. You're looking at video taken last night by Jay Cashmere. It's by the Wanderers Club, Lakefield, and the Meadowwood communities. You can see a down stop sign, debris, and power lines, and the tree blocking the street that has since been removed. The village told me this morning that the one home was damaged so bad the family decided to evacuate to a hotel because they decided it wasn't safe to stay. One village employee actually found a trampoline in their front yard from a neighbor. The village saying all the damage caused by a possible tornado, which has not been verified by the National Weather Service. At first light, the village will be deploying their damage assessment teams. They said there was some water pooling on the streets, but the systems are handling the 1 to 2 inches they received from rainfall last night.
Aero Club Drive was relatively dry, and the swales were certainly wet, but they're functioning as they were intended. So fingers crossed that that's what we'll see today. We have been pumping throughout the last several days at varying levels at our different pump stations, and we'll be continuing to do that. And I think we'll probably increase that a little bit today to stay ahead of it.
Now, just because Mike just brought it up, the FPL Power Tracker map, there's about 1,700 people in Palm Beach County without power. They have serviced about 20,000 people and restored power to them this morning. So if you want to send us in weather pictures, please post to our First Alert weather page, and I'll be sharing those with everybody this morning. Back to you guys.